In this video, you learn how to use the indirect function. I'm going to present two use cases for the indirect function. The one is to create a dependent list and to reference a name range. To create a dependent list, we want to do a validation of vegetables, fruits, and meats in one cell and let it influence the content of the next cell, so that whenever I select vegetables, I should only see vegetables on the next cell. So the first thing is to do a data validation of the first three items. Go to data validation, then list, then the source will be vegetables, fruits, and meats. Then I click OK. Then this is what I mean. I get a drop-down list of vegetables, fruits, and meats. Now I want, whenever I select vegetables, that list of vegetables should be shown in the next cell. So I'm going to color this cell just to mark it, color that cell, and in this next cell I want to get a dependent list of what I select. So we give a name to our lists, call these vegetables, press enter, call these fruits, and call these meats. We can then go to data, then data validation, then on the list I will use the indirect function to reference that range. So indirect, then I click on this cell and press OK. So whenever I select vegetables, I should see a list of vegetables on this other cell, and so as meats and fruits on this other cell. In the second use case, we'll give a name to this, call it price list. Come down here, write price list, then use the indirect function to sum indirect, then I reference that cell, then I press enter. So I'll get 1700. Thanks for watching.